I am Akim Oyeleke. I'm with TOA Electronics. So we are here at the ISE 2023. Here are some of our new products. We have the AB ceiling speakers, PC 1860 AB, and wall box speaker, which is the AB speaker. So it's one of our newest products. So what does it do? Inside this speaker that you see, there are two speakers in one. So what you do is you wire both speakers. So if one fails, the other one continues working. So this is the advantage of this speaker system, the AB speaker. So when you wire them, A and B, so when one fails, the other one keep working. So even if there's a problem with one speaker, you are guaranteed that the speaker will continue working. So this is the major advantage of this system. Thank you.